Hey there! Today, we'll cover how to quickly update personalization across your Etsy shop in just minutes using Vela's profiles and bulk editing features. Let's jump right in. From the main listings page, we'll access profiles by clicking the icon in the left sidebar, where we'll find all of our saved profiles. Profiles work as templates we save once and apply across many listings. Connect them, and future updates flow through automatically. To create a new one, we'll click Create Profile. First, we'll give it a name, something clear, like Minimalist Cases. Then we'll scroll down and pick the attributes we'd like to include. We can apply multiple listing attributes to a profile, but for this example, we'll just select Personalization. Next, we'll click the Choose Field Type dropdown. The same 3 personalization types available in Etsy are here: text box, list of options, and file upload. Let's start with a text box. We'll add our field title, in this case, monogram. Then we'll set the character limit for customer input. 3 characters works nicely for a short monogram. We can also include brief instructions if they're helpful. Here, we'll add include up to 3 letters or numbers. And if a customer needs to fill this in to check out, we'll check required. If it's optional, we leave it unchecked. Now for the good part. We can add up to 5 personalization fields per listing, which includes all available field types. Since we've set monogram as our first option, let's add a list of options next so customers can pick their font. We'll call this one Font and add a few options: serif, script, and block, so customers have a clear choice. For our third option, we'll add a file upload so customers can send over a logo to print on their phone case. We'll title this Logo and set the limit to 1 file per order. Once the profile looks the way we want it, we'll click Save. Now let's connect some listings by clicking Connect Listings at the bottom of the profile. This opens the Listings modal, where we can search by title or SKU, or use filters to zero in on exactly what we're looking for. For this demo, we'll filter down to our Minimalist Cases section and select all 58 to connect at once. Then we'll click Connect 58 Listings. The sync indicator appears at the top of the page. Most updates finish in under a minute or 2. Once it's done, we can hop over to Etsy to see personalization live on our listings. And there it is, right on our listing and ready for customers. Back on the Profiles page, we can view every listing connected to this profile. If we ever need to make a change, we just edit the profile here and update all connected listings together. Let's say we decide to discontinue logo printing. We'll delete the file upload field and drop in a new font option to give customers more variety. Then we'll click Save, update current profile, and every connected listing updates automatically. Back on our main listings page, we'll notice our new profile now appears as a filter on the left-hand sidebar. We'll click it to pull up our Minimalist Cases. We'll select all listings, then click Edit to open the bulk editor. There's a lot we can do from here, but for now, we're focused on personalization. We'll find it in the sidebar under Listings and scroll through to confirm the profile has been applied. If any one-off adjustments are needed, we can make them right from here. Now let's sync our updates and jump back to the main listings page. If we ever want to zoom in on a single listing, we can click any one from the main listings page to review or edit its personalization, along with any other attributes we'd like to adjust. And that's how we scale personalization across an entire shop in minutes. Be sure to check out all the videos on these tools and more in our Help Center. Hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.